Hello, my name is Spencer and welcome back to my hobby channel. I like storytelling through artsy projects, but this one will be a bit different from the others. This is the last project I made. In my previous project, I made an otherworldly landscape by painting a planet, and I really wanted to do it again. In this video, I followed a painting video guide by Chloe Art, and I'll make sure to include her video guide in the description. This video will be mostly unscripted, but the main message I wanted to tell you all is that I really appreciate each of you. To start the unscripted section, I just really wanted to say thank you to each of you for watching this video, seeing my channel. It's a really cool way for me to share what I'm passionate about, and 6 months ago when I started my channel, I don't know, I expected one person maybe to see it, and the fact that so many more have seen it and then liked it and then gave positive feedback is a really cool experience that I've never had before. So a little about me, why I started sharing my work recently. For a long time, I kind of struggled to find something that made me happy to do as a hobby. I tried to make a square peg fit in a round hole for a long time, if you will. And one day I just ran across a hobby channel on YouTube, and I saw what they were doing, and it inspired me pretty much. And I live in these worlds of fantasy to begin with. Like, this is just what I think of every day, and it's just a way for me to have a creative outlet. And ultimately, I just wanted to try it, start it off, see if it was something I was interested in, and then I kind of fell in love with it, and I found a passion. When it comes to goals and objectives for the channel and the hobby itself, honestly, that's what it is to me, a hobby. YouTube-wise, I wouldn't change anything. I'm excited to see my editing skills improve, but much more than that. I mostly feel accomplished by seeing my artistic skills improve, learning new techniques, and watching other people's videos and just feeling that I'm improving. That's a really cool thing that makes me really happy. I also get a lot of joy just reading comments in the YouTube sections about, hey, loved it. So I really appreciate that, and that fits into the theme of the video overall. Now I'll stop going unscripted and let us jump to some glamour shots of the final image. To wrap this video up, here's my final painting. It's a little rough, I know, but I'm excited to be able to look back on this little project as a foundational block. Now, this is terribly overdue, but thank you so much for 100 subscribers. I never really expected anyone to see it, so the fact that people saw it and supported it just blows my mind. I'll see you in the next tale to tell, and I hope you all have a good week.